The following tutorial describes how to further reduce exposure of sensitive data. DS Core now automatically blurs patient identifiers after a period of inactivity. Let's begin. In clinical environments, patient data is constantly in view but not always in use. That's why DS Core introduces automated blurring of patient information, a feature designed to reduce unnecessary exposure of sensitive information. When enabled, patient identifiers are automatically blurred after a period of inactivity. This enables that dashboards, including patient lists, orders, shares, tasks, and treatments, remain secure even when left unattended. Practice owners can configure this feature in the practice profile, setting a custom timeout ranging from 1 second to 99 minutes and 59 seconds. The default setting is 1 minute, and once activated, it applies to all users within the account. This feature is enabled by default, but owners retain full control to adjust or disable it as needed. It's a simple yet powerful way to support compliance and protect patient privacy without interrupting clinical workflows. And that's it. Be sure to check out our What's New section to learn about new Core features and functionalities. Thank you for watching.